Cassie Iguaso, and today I'm gonna interview
Yadira Bayabinasa.
So my question for you today is, can you talk about a project or assignment that you found particularly challenging? How did you overcome it?
I found a project challenging when it required new skill, and I overcome it by asking for help and practicing.
Thank you. Number 2, describe a time when you felt proud of an accomplishment at school. What did you do and why was it important to you?
I felt proud when I completed a difficult assignment because it showed my growth and hard work.
Number 3, how do you manage your time between schoolwork, extracurricular activities, or tips that you find helpful?
I manage my time by making a schedule and prioritizing tasks.
Number 4, have you ever faced a difficult situation or conflict with a teacher or classmate? How did you handle it, and what did you learn from the experience?
I handled conflicts by staying calm, listening, and finding a compromise. I learned the importance of communication.
Number 5, how do you balance your online and offline activities? Do you find it challenging to disconnect from technology? And if so, how do you manage it?
I balance online and offline activities by setting limits on screen time and taking breaks to do other things.
Hello everyone, it's me again, and today we're going to interview.
My name is Camille Kate Pebinasa and I am grade 8 charity.
So my question for you today is, how do you mental healthy students show process in their personal growth and development?
Ipinapakita ko ang mga mental na malusog na estudyante ang pag-unlad ng pamagitan ng pagtatalag na unlad, pagkakatoo sa pagiging responsable.
Number 7, what are some ways mental healthy adolescents in grade 7 handle their emotions effectively?
Sila ang mga emosyon sa pamamagitan ng pakikipag-usap, pagpapahinga at paggawa ng mga bagay na gusto nila.
Number 8, how do you mentally healthy grade 7 students develop positive social skills and relationships?
Nakakabuo sila ng magagandang relasyon sa pamamagitan ng pakikinig, paggalang sa iba, at pakikipagtulungan.
Number 9, how can mental healthy adolescents in grade 7 perform well at home, school, and in their community?
Nagiging maayos sila sa buhay, eskwelahan at komunidad sa pamamagitan ng tamang pamamahala sa oras, paggawa ng mga gawaing bahay at aralin at pagtulong sa iba.
Number 10, can you give examples of activities students might engage in to reaching their goals?
Mga halimbawa ay paggawa ng plano sa pag-aral, pagsalita ng mga eskola at pagsasanay ng mga kasanayan.
Thank you everyone for listening to my interview.